Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the HeimVision 2K Outdoor Security Cam. Wow, it's a Wi-Fi smart camera with Floodlight. This is an awesome option, I think so. Color night vision, oh yeah. Two-way audio, motion detection, Siren alarm. This is an awesome sound to have an information that anybody is near your camera system with alarm function, message alert, MicroSD and cloud storage services, and it's weatherproof, HM311. And you can see it's really easy. The only thing you have to do is download an app, and then you can enter into the HeimVision 2K Outdoor Security Camera world easily. You have 3 megapixel Ultra HD and colored night vision images. HeimVision HM311 Security Cam has an upgraded all glass lens. We will get 3 megapixel, that means 2304 to 1296 pixels Ultra HD image quality, and monitor our property in Ultra HD video with 110 degrees wider viewing angle. Built-in IR cut filter and 2 bright floodlights ensure true colored night vision at night when the detection is triggered. This smart camera will auto switch to night vision mode when it's dark outside. The night vision range is up to 98 feet, and as you can see, it's really easy to pair this system. By using the app, use the QR code and dock into your Wi-Fi network with the app. Then you can pair them easily, and you only have to do that once. After this, the setup is stored in the cam, and you can go to the area, but it has to be inside your Wi-Fi area, and attach it to a wall or where you're going to like it. You have two-way audio and an app remote control services. Equipped with microphone and speaker, the HeimVision Outdoor Wi-Fi camera offers convenient full-duplex two-way audio communication. We can see, hear, and say hi to friends, talk to the courier, watch our pets, or scare away any unwanted people wherever we are. Because it is mobile, you will get information if there is a movement detected on your smartphone via the app. Ooh, that's awesome. Multiple accounts sharing allows us to share the camera to more family members. And we have a smart detection message alert. The HeimVision Wi-Fi surveillance camera is equipped with not only motion sound, but also human detection sensor. Instant alerts will be pushed to our mobile when motion is detected. The last artificial intelligent human detection technology is adopted to minimize false alerts to keep our peace of mind. The motion-activated floodlight will shine a light on the suspicious and capture color picture at night. We can also adjust the sensitivity and the detection zones using the app. And we can use cloud storage. And we can have a local backup option. We can enjoy, of course, at the beginning, free 30-day trial of the cloud services. Store our videos and photos 24/7 recorded footage from this wireless outdoor camera to our cloud. Or we can use a MicroSD card. It supports maximum 128 GB, but this is enough. It is not included, so we have to buy it by your own. Easy. They are not so expensive. All video and pictures are encrypted, protected to secure our privacy. We can install our user-friendly free app HeimLink into our iOS or Android phone, tablet, personal computer to watch, record and share all the videos captured wherever we are. And weather resistant and IP66 waterproof or weatherproof. This sturdy auto camera is rated at dust, tight, waterproof and covered with durable metal housing. It's keep recording no matter raining, lightning, fogging or snowing. With professional engineers and dedicated support team, the HeimVision always stands by us if we have some problem with that. And if we are using the cloud, of course, we will have more contact. If we have trouble with them, they will have a solution. Watching, recording, replaying, and sharing every moment, it matters. The security camera with two bright floodlights presenting us a colorful night vision image when the detection is triggered. The smart detection and the alarm message alerts. We can't miss any moment that matters, and we won't be bothered by insignificant activities. Remote control the camera by our mobile device. We can see and hear what is happening from our smartphone, tablet, or personal computer. Sturdy metal housing. It feels good and it's a nice, reliable quality. Weather resistant and weatherproof. Wow. We have a reliable partner day and night, rain or snow, every time. It supports not only Wi-Fi wireless connections but also AP hotspot and local area network. This patch cable is included. That means you can dock it easily to your not only to your Wi-Fi network. Of course, you can dock it to your router as well with a local area network cable easily. And we have an encrypted cloud storage and a microSD card. When we are using the SD card, we can go up to 128 gigabyte. And this is a good thing. Only works with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, not compatible with 5 gigahertz. But it's not a problem because every router which will give you a 5 gigahertz can give you a 2.4 gigahertz too. It's no problem. The only thing you have to do is dock into the 2.4 gigahertz if it is necessary. You have to enable it inside your router. Yeah. So put the security cam to our router as close as we can at the beginning, because we have to pair them by using the app. And then we can get it into the range of the Wi-Fi or the LAN wire range, of course, with the microSD card slot. This supports microSD cards with a maximum capacity of 128 gigabyte. And the only thing you have to do is open the cover and get in the SD card easily, isn't it? Yes. And we can remote control on the HeimLink app. It's free and we can download and use it for free. And it comes with an adapter. Just plug it to our AC 120 volt outlet. No battery is included in this auto camera, not supported solar powered. We are going to the power line. And that brings us 24/7 electricity support easily. This HM311 is not compatible with the HeimVision or other models, okay, like HM241, etc. This security camera is a standalone system, okay. You have a 3 megapixel 2K Ultra HD image. The HeimVision security camera adopts 3 megapixel ultra clear all glass lens, which presents us much more clear image than 1080p cameras. We can see clearly that visitor's face. And we have an okay two-way audio. It's not the main thing on this device because it's in camera system, but you also get a two-way audio. built-in microphone speakers, which allows us to talk with our visitors freely. The only thing we have to do is push the mute button to unmute it, and then we can talk each other with the guy outside, where the cam is built in easily. And we have a strong signal and constant connectivity. Equipped with 5 dB antenna, the HeimVision wireless camera has great signal performance on penetrating the wall. Also, we can connect the camera by an AP hotspot or a LAN cable. And we have a color night vision with floodlight. That's awesome. That it is, this is the awesome, good device, HeimVision 2K outdoor security camera. It's a Wi-Fi smart camera with a good picture and good night vision, really good night vision. The two-way audio is good, but it's not the main feature on this. And with a MicroSD card with up to 128 GB, that's enough of storage space. And it's weatherproof. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.